Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today I wanted to share you some of my recent AliExpress nail supply buys. So if you are curious what I got, please keep on watching. And also, if you're curious to know what I have on my nails right now, this is a cute, really simple and easy to do unicorn nail art, and that video is already uploaded as we speak, and as well as the video I made of this gel nail polish. And this is actually the first gel nail polish I have been using, and also my first try. So if you're curious about that, do check out that video as well. But I already got my little list with all of the items and all of the prices I bought them for, so let's go. So first up, I bought this set of 12 pre-mixed glitters, and you can use these on natural nails with regular nail polish, but you could also use these with acrylic or gel polish if you want to. And these are all 12 the same size little pots, like the regular nail art pots, you know them. And this is a set of 12, so I got a few with some purple mixes, some pink, some gold, some reds, a silver, another pink. These are really multicolored, just like this one. I got a lime green and another green bluish one, and I actually got a little gift with this. So these are some nail studs I got with my order, and it was actually really a nice surprise because I didn't expect to get a gift with one of my purchases. So I got this one for 3.47 in euros, so 12 glitters for less than €3.50, which is a pretty good deal if you ask me. The pots are actually filled quite nicely. You don't have like big pots which are filled bad. So I will just take one out so you can see how good or how nicely filled they are. So I just took one out, and as you can see, it is filled up pretty decent. So they're almost filled to the top. Let's just open it real quickly so you can see a little better. Like, I can't tilt it too much because it will be flying everywhere, but this is how filled they are, and it's pretty densely packed in these little pots. So for about €3.50, I think it's a pretty good deal. And I also really like the fact that I actually got a free gift of a ton of pastel color nail studs, and also some like circle rhinestones embedded in some gold. So that was a pretty nice deal. Oh, and if you're curious to know what sellers I got these from, do let me know in the comments down below which items you would like to know the seller of, so I would reply to you with the direct link to that item. Then the next set I got is this set of, again, 12 pots of glitter, but these are all white opalescent, like iridescent glitters in different shapes and sizes, and I got this set for €3.83. So I'm just going to take these out real quickly and show you them up close, because I think they are so pretty and so affordable, especially when you realize you get 12 pots for less than €4. So these are all the pots, and I'm just going to run through them one by one because they are just so cute and pretty. So these are the opalescent flower ones, and the pots are a little bit different than the regular pots because the regular ones are all round, and these have like the square bottoms. So there's, again, a really good, decent amount in here. Sometimes when you order like nail glitter or nail embellishments, you only get a little bit, even though it is like advertised at the seller's shop, like you get a ton. But these actually do give you a lot of like glitter embellishments. So that's a pretty good deal if you ask me. Then I also got the same in a triangular shape. So these are all really transparent, like translucent, opalescent. They remind me of unicorns. And you know me, I love my unicorn skin stuff. Then I also got some rectangular shapes. They're all the same size if you ask me. They're also all the same colors. Then I've got some like really nice circle ones. I have got some girl shoes or like women's shoes, and these are just really, really cute. I think these will look so cute to do a full-on girly nail art. And just look at that. This is packed with that glitter. There are so many. I will never run out of these glitters in life, I think. Then I also got some heart shapes. You can never go wrong with a good heart shape. Then these are really, really cute as well, because these are little umbrellas. I don't know if you can see, like, ooh, they're on my finger. I'll just get these two out to show you a little bit up close if it wants to get off of my finger already. So this is it. It is a really cute tiny umbrella. These will look so cute if you want to do like a weather kind of nail art, like a weather inspired nail art or something. I think it is such a unique shape. I've never seen any like these. Then I also got some half moon ones, always really cute as well. I've got some snowflakes, really nice to like encapsulate those in a wintry look. I've got some cute little stars. You can never go wrong with stars either. Some butterflies. And lastly, some diamond shaped ones. And I really, really like the like reflection it gives. I really like the bluish purple tone. And I really do like that the light really has to hit these glitters to make them pop, you know? Then the last like 10 things I wanted to share with you are all from Belle Shiny. Please let me know if you want to have some links from these products so I can share them with you. So do let me know in the comments down below. So first up are these like soft rose clusters. So this is one. So you have some rhinestones, you have a little rose, you have a silver ball, and also like a hammered silver ball. It's a little bit more matte than the other, and this is a set of 10, and I bought this for €1.49. These clusters are always a little bit more expensive, but I do feel like they last a long time and you can actually reuse them, especially when you use them on yourself. So just make sure that when you take them off gently, make sure they're still in one piece, and just clean off the nail polish or nail glue if you used any. Then I also got some of these frames. They're silver colored, and I got a set of 50, and I bought these for €1.31. Then I also got some gold like circular frames, and these actually came in a pot instead of a little bag like this, and I really do like that it's in a pot because it's a little bit more sturdy. And I think this was a set of 50 or 100. I think there are 100 in here, and I bought this one for €1.05, so just a little bit over €1. Then I also bought these like oval shaped, again kind of similar to the rectangular shaped ones, and I bought this one a set of 50 for €1.20. And then I also got for less than €1 for 98 cents these cute little anchors, and these have little rhinestones like diamonds on them, and I really do like these. And for less than €1 I got a set of 10, so that's a really good deal. Then I also got some cute crowns, and let's see if I can show you just one apart from all the others. And these crowns I bought for 98 cents as well, and as you can see it actually has some like diamond like rhinestones on them as well, and they are so shiny. It's really pretty. Then I also got some, these are really like wintry like stars, like a star you would put on top of your Christmas tree in my opinion. These are all flipped upside down, so this is what it looks like. It has a little blue like a sapphire blue stone in the middle, and I think it is so pretty. And I got these for 65 cents, like 10 pieces for 65 cents. So they're like 6.5 cents for each little star. Then I also got some gold colored half moon with pearls in them. And this set of 5, or this set of 10, I'm sorry, there are 10 in total in this little bag. I bought them for €1.17. And I don't know if these were also available in silver, because if they are, I think I might buy them in silver as well. Then I also got these little sets, and these contain 10 little seashells in each. So I got the soft pink colored ones, but I also got the minty green ones. And the minty green actually do look a little bit more bright on camera than they are in real life, but that's okay. And I bought these for 58 cents each. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you are again some cluster-like, how to call these? Clustered pearls and rhinestones. Let's just call it like that. And I got a set of 10 for 82 cents. So this one is again in a little bit kind of a different packaging than the others I got from that same seller. But that doesn't bother me because I will put them in one of these little containers anyway. So that is what they look. I think these will look really, really pretty when you apply them really close to the cuticle, like this, like with the point angled to the tip of the nail. I think that would look really, really pretty. And that was actually my entire haul. There are more packages on their way to my home address because I did buy some other nail art stuff and just some random other Aliexpress stuff. If you're curious about that, please keep an eye out for my channel because I will be sharing those quickly as soon as I get these in. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.